Welcome to the Band Nurse Files. This is episode 4 of bird flu, where we're going to be talking about mostly mammals and how mammals have been affected and how this is a new thing because bird flu has been around since the 1800s, but they haven't seen bird to mammal transmission until 2024, which was the first poultry to cattle transmission. And from there, it's been pretty bad. So there has been concerns from the medical community about bird flu jumping to mammals. We've seen it in foxes, skunks, raccoons, sea animals, sheeps. It's been everywhere. And H5N1 has caused a high mortality rate in the seal population. It's been seen in the UK and Washington state. In 2023, 97% of southern elephant seal pups died due to bird flu. So when they saw the seals coming back from migration, they saw that about a third of the population was not there. So they're going to take a while for them to get up to where they were before. Now, this is what worried me last year when I read it. Two pigs or five pigs. I can't remember if it was two or five, but I know five were involved. But I know two pigs reported in Oregon had bird flu. And that raises a lot of concern because pigs, they can act like a mixing vessel between human viruses and avian and swine and all these animal viruses. And there's this process that when viruses get together in a host, they exchange really good RNA with each other and they become better, meaning that become higher transmissibility, higher fatality rates because they get each other's best thing that makes them mortal. You know what I mean? So due to their susceptibility to both avian and human viruses, it helps them mix together, and that process is resortment, and that's not good. So, according to articles, there were five pigs involved. Only two were infected, but all five of them were euthanized. I haven't read about anything else about that, or about any other pigs being infected. I have heard of sheep in the UK being infected. Cows are have been highly infected with this. Our milk supply, like raw milk, I mean, has been very affected. A lot of food recalls for animals, like especially for cats with raw milk. So I would suggest to not drink raw milk or eat anything with raw milk in it. With cheese, it can last up to 2 months in cheese. So I would be careful. So there's a new vector that has come into the chat. It's houseflies. So a biologist from New York State Institute and Arkansas State University found a housefly from October 2024 had H5N1 sequencing, meaning that it had virus proteins and virus fragments in the housefly. So, what they're saying is that the housefly stores H5N1 in their gut and on their body. So, they work as a vector transporting it. Of course, of course, our fellow CDC, our bright and true, said that it's still low risk, that we're okay, that we are not going to get infected by houseflies. These are the same people that stopped monitoring bird flu. So, and these are the same people that said just to subtype critical patients or patients that were exposed to animals. Anyway, I digress. So, that is the new thing now. So now houseflies can transmit this. So I'll keep you guys updated as always on what else is going on out here. Follow to stay in the know. Bye.